What's the meaning of buffoon? Buffoon. Buffoon.
Buffoon. Buffoon. The term buffoon refers to a person who behaves in a foolish or comical way, often with the intention of making others laugh. This can be done through various means such as telling jokes, doing silly things, or wearing ridiculous costumes. However, while buffoons may bring brief moments of laughter and entertainment, their behavior can also be seen as immature, attention-seeking, or even offensive. As a result, while some may enjoy the antics of a buffoon, others may find them irritating, distasteful, or even harmful. Ultimately, the meaning of buffoon depends on the context in which it is used and the individual perceptions of those experiencing it.